First, we have to check our square root. We have 2 plus 3x squared. It is always positive number, so everything is okay. Next step, we have to solve our definite integral, like indefinite integral. Now let's rewrite our integral we have from 1 to 3 of x, and next I will change our square root to power 4, will be 2 plus 3x squared to power 1/2 dx. Next, I will use substitution method to solve this integral. Let me put t is equal 2 plus 3x squared. So next we have to find derivative of both sides of our equation with respect to x. So it will be dt to dx is equal, derivative of 2 is 0, derivative of 3x squared is 6x. Next, I will multiply both sides by dx to reduce the denominator because we do t substitution, so we have to find dt is equal 6x dx. In our expression, when we substitute 2 plus 3x squared by t, we will have t to power 1/2 and we have x dx. We cannot mix up x and t in one expression, so we need to substitute x dx. We have dt is equal 6x dx. We don't need the 6, so I will divide both sides by 6. 6 and 6 we can reduce, and we have that x dx is equal 1 over 6 dt. Now we have to find only how much equals lower and upper limit. For x equals 1, t is 2 plus 3 times 1 squared. This is equal 2 plus 3 is 5. Next, we have to find how much t equals for x equals 3. So t will be 2 plus 3 times 3 squared. This is equal, we have 2 plus 3 times 9 is 27. 27 plus 9 is 29. So now we can rewrite our integral, and we will have integral from 5 to 29. And for expression in parentheses, we will put t to power 1/2, and for x dx we have 1 over 6, I will put in parentheses, dt. So this is equal, we have multiplication and we have constant. I can take this constant before integral symbol. We have from 5 to 29, and we have t to power 1/2 dt. This is equal. We have integral of power function. So first we have to copy 1 over 6, and we have times t in numerator to power 1/2 plus 1 over denominator is 1/2 plus 1. And instead of putting constant, we have to put vertical bar, and on the top we have upper limit 29, and on the bottom we have lower limit 5. This is equal. First we can simplify this, and we will have 1 over 6 because we have division, and we will have here fraction 3 over 2, so I will flip this fraction, will be times 2 over 3, and we have times t to power 3 over 2, and we have vertical bar from 5 to 29. So this is equal, 6 and 2 we can reduce, so it will be in numerator 1, in denominator will be 9, t to power 3 over 2 from 5 to 29. So now first we have to plug upper limit. So instead t we have to put 29. 1 over 9 we have to copy, and we have 29 to power 3 over 2 minus lower limit. We have to replace t by 5 now. We have 1 over 9 times 5 to power 3 over 2. This is equal. I can factorize 1 over 9, and in parentheses we will be square root of 29 to third power minus square root of 5 to third power. So this is equal, I have to close parentheses, 1 over 9 we have to copy, and in parentheses we will have 29 times square root of 29 minus 5 times square root of 5. This is my solution.